In this video, I will show you how to adjust the row height of the records in your Airtable grid view. In order to do that, all you need to do is click this row height button in the toolbar. You're going to have 4 options to select the row height, and you can simply choose which height makes the most sense for your particular use case. This is most useful when you want to see bigger attachments, or if you have a long text field in your records that you want to see more information at one time without having to select that record and read the cell view of it. You can kind of see everything at once when you adjust the row height. So you can go from extra tall to short, and that will give you the ability to see or hide certain information and see more information at once or see less information at once, depending on what works best for you. So that is how to adjust the row height in Airtable's grid view. Stay tuned for the next video.